The 9 most dangerous birds in the world. Birds. Delicate, peaceful creatures, right? Think again. Some birds are so powerful, aggressive, and lethal that they can take down large animals, and yes, even humans. These feathered predators are nature's true warriors, equipped with deadly claws, killer speed, and unmatched strength. Welcome to 10 Chronicles, where today we're diving into the 9 most dangerous birds in the world. From eagles that can snatch prey in midair to birds that can kick hard enough to kill a lion. These are not the birds you see in your backyard. Prepare to be amazed and a little terrified as we uncover these natural-born killers. Now subscribe to 10 Chronicles. Let's jump in. You'll never see birds the same way again. 9. American herring. Gull seagulls often come across as pesky but harmless scavengers, hovering around beaches looking for scraps. However, the American herring gull is no ordinary seagull. This bird, which can grow up to 55 centimeters, 21 inches long, and weigh about 1 kilogram, 2 pounds, has earned a reputation for being aggressive and territorial. Unlike the birds you're used to seeing stealing a French fry, these gulls are fiercely protective of their nesting sites. When provoked or feeling threatened, American herring gulls are known to dive bomb with terrifying precision. They aim for the face, using their sharp beaks and claws to target the eyes and head. The sheer speed at which they attack makes them a force to be reckoned with. A seemingly simple stroll near their territory could leave you with serious injuries. These gulls are fearless and won't hesitate to swoop in, especially if they think you're after their food or their young. And if you think you're safe from them, away from their nests, think again. These birds are notorious for stealing food right out of people's hands or raiding picnic tables in busy parks. They use their size and aggression to their advantage, bullying other birds and humans alike. If you're ever near a colony of these gulls, guard your head and your snacks. 8. Peregrine falcon. When it comes to speed, no creature on Earth can match the peregrine falcon. Known as the fastest animal in the world, these falcons can dive at speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour, 200 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway and nearly twice as fast as a cheetah. But speed isn't the only thing that makes these birds so deadly. It's their precision and power. With a wingspan of over a meter and razor-sharp talons, the peregrine falcon can spot its prey from hundreds of feet in the air. Once they lock onto their target, they tuck their wings and dive, transforming into living missiles. When they strike, they hit their prey with such force that it often kills instantly upon impact. This incredible hunting technique makes them one of the most efficient and feared predators in the animal kingdom. Peregrine falcons prey on more than 2,000 species of birds, and their agility in the air is unmatched. Watching them hunt is like witnessing a natural spectacle, a whirlwind of speed and power. While they pose no direct threat to humans, their speed and lethality earn them a spot among the most dangerous birds in the world. In the wild, they are the true rulers of the sky. 7. Harpy eagle. With talons larger than a grizzly bear's claws and a wingspan of over 2 meters, 7 feet, the harpy eagle is not just one of the largest eagles in the world, it's one of the deadliest. This bird, native to the rainforests of Central and South America, is an apex predator with a fearsome reputation. It's capable of lifting animals as large as monkeys and sloths out of trees with ease, crushing their bones with its powerful grip. Harpy eagles are incredibly strong, able to carry prey that weighs nearly as much as they do. Their talons can exert a pressure of over 500 pounds per square inch, enough to snap the bones of most animals. With legs as thick as a human wrist, these eagles are built for power and precision. They silently hunt through the dense canopy, ambushing their prey in a deadly surprise attack. Despite their formidable abilities, harpy eagles are becoming rare due to habitat loss. They are revered in their native regions, with Panama even designating the harpy eagle as its national bird. But don't let their majestic appearance fool you. These birds are highly territorial and protective, especially during nesting season. If you venture too close, you could find yourself on the wrong end of an eagle's talons. 6. Brown pelican. The brown pelican may look like an awkward, bumbling bird, but beneath its comical exterior lies a powerful and territorial creature. With a wingspan of up to 2 meters, 6 feet, and a beak that can hold up to 3 gallons of water, these birds are designed for precision hunting. But their size and strength also make them capable of inflicting serious harm when provoked. While pelicans are generally peaceful, they become highly aggressive during the breeding season, especially when defending their nests. Their long beaks, typically used to catch fish, can also be used as weapons to fend off threats. These birds have been known to attack humans who venture too close to their nesting grounds, leaving deep wounds with their beak strikes. Despite their docile nature most of the time, when provoked, brown pelicans are not afraid to use their size and beak to defend themselves. It's best to keep your distance if you ever find yourself near a colony of these birds, especially when they are protecting their young. 5. Bearded vulture, lammergeier. The bearded vulture, also known as the lammergeier, is one of the most terrifying birds in the world, and not because it hunts live prey. This massive vulture, with a wingspan of nearly 3 meters, 10 feet, has a unique diet. It eats bones. Yes, bones. These birds are known for picking up large bones and dropping them from great heights onto rocks below to shatter them, then feasting on the broken pieces. What makes the bearded vulture particularly dangerous is its bone-crushing beak. With a sharp, hooked bill, these vultures can tear through bones and carcasses with ease. Their ability to soar to great heights and break bones with such precision makes them one of the most specialized hunters in the bird kingdom. Their striking appearance only adds to their intimidating presence. With white feathers often stained red from the iron-rich soil they bathe in and bright red eyes, the bearded vulture looks every bit as fearsome as its habits suggest. While they rarely attack humans, their size and bone-breaking abilities make them birds to be respected. 4th, ostrich, standing at 2.5 meters, 8 feet tall, and weighs over 150 kilograms or 330 pounds. The ostrich is the largest bird on Earth. Though flightless, they more than make up for it with their powerful legs. Capable of running up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour, ostriches are the fastest two-legged creatures in the world. But it's not their speed that makes them dangerous, it's their deadly kicks. Ostriches are known to deliver kicks with enough force to kill a lion. Their long, muscular legs, combined with their sharp claws, make them lethal when defending themselves. In fact, their middle toe is equipped with a claw that acts like a dagger, capable of slicing through the flesh of predators or even humans. Though they are generally shy and avoid confrontation, when cornered or threatened, ostriches will fight back, and their kicks can be fatal. If you ever encounter one in the wild, don't underestimate its power. You won't outrun it, and you certainly won't want to get in range of its legs. 3rd, Himalayan Griffon vulture, high in the sky above the Himalayas. The Himalayan Griffon vulture rules the skies. One of the largest vultures in the world, this bird boasts a wingspan of up to 3 meters, 10 feet, and is capable of flying at altitudes higher than Mount Everest. With its enormous wings and keen eyesight, the Himalayan Griffon vulture can spot carcasses from miles away and swoop down to feed on the remains. These vultures play an essential role in their ecosystem, acting as nature's cleanup crew by preventing the spread of disease through scavenging. However, their massive size and powerful beaks make them intimidating. They are capable of tearing through tough hides and bones with ease, ensuring that they devour every last piece of their meal. Though they don't pose a direct threat to humans, their size and ferocity make them a commanding presence in the wild. Watching one soar through the sky is a humbling reminder of nature's raw power. 2. Secretary birds, standing tall at over 1.3 meters, 4 feet. The secretary bird is an elegant yet deadly bird known for its unique hunting style. While most birds of prey swoop down to catch their food, the secretary bird uses its long legs to stalk the African savanna, hunting down snakes and other small animals. With incredible speed and precision, it stomps on its prey, delivering powerful blows with its sharp talons. What makes the secretary bird even more dangerous is the armor-like scales on its legs, which protect it from venomous snake bites. These birds can kill a snake in mere seconds, their kicks being strong enough to crush bones and kill their prey instantly. Though they are primarily snake hunters, secretary birds are highly territorial and will defend their nests aggressively. If you encounter one, keep your distance. This bird is not one to be messed with, especially when it's hunting or protecting its young. 1. Cassowary. The title of the most dangerous bird in the world belongs to none other than the cassowary. Found in the rainforests of Australia and New Guinea, this bird is often referred to as a living dinosaur due to its size, appearance, and deadly capabilities. Standing over 1.5 meters, 5 feet, tall and weighing up to 63 kilograms, 140 pounds, the cassowary's most terrifying feature is its feet. Each foot is equipped with 3 dagger-like claws, with the middle claw reaching up to 10 centimeters, 4 inches, long. When threatened, the cassowary will charge at its attacker, delivering powerful kicks with its clawed feet. These kicks are strong enough to kill a human or animal, and they have been responsible for several fatalities over the years. In fact, the Guinness World Records lists the cassowary as the world's most dangerous bird. Despite their fearsome reputation, cassowaries are shy and tend to avoid humans. However, if provoked or cornered, they become incredibly aggressive. If you ever find yourself in the presence of a cassowary, back away slowly and avoid making sudden movements. This bird has earned its reputation as a lethal predator for a reason. These 9 birds show that nature can be as dangerous as it is beautiful. From powerful kicks to bone-breaking beaks, these birds prove that even in the sky, there are predators to be feared. Which bird surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to 10 Chronicles for more incredible wildlife content. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.